We've been combing every trailer and screenshot in preparation for this summer's biggest video game event. This is everything you need to know about Batman Arkham Knight. This time around, Batman has new weapons in his arsenal, including a new Bat Scanner Batarang, new weapon steal combat counters, and environment takedowns like slamming a thug's head into an electrical box. And if you're the sneaky type, Bruce now has a fear takedown that is so terrifying, he can chain them together to take out multiple enemies before they know what hit them. Batman's shiniest new toy is the fully drivable Batmobile. We've seen the sleek battle vehicle tearing through tanks and driving on walls, but what else? This screenshot shows the Dark Knight in hot pursuit of bad guys. Car chase anyone? We hope so! Let's talk Arkham Knight's confirmed rogues gallery. Penguin, Two-Face, and Harley Quinn are back. Plus the Riddler returns, so you can bet the master of mind games will be laying down more challenges for the Dark Knight. Scarecrow is the main villain of the game, and his most deadly weapon is a masked high-tech attack dog called the Arkham Knight. If you look closely, you'll see that the Arkham Knight and his black and red camo soldiers are sporting what looks like the Arkham Asylum logo. Did Arkham militarize their mental health care providers after the events of Arkham City? What is the Arkham Knight's connection to Gotham's Asylum for the Criminally Insane? Only time will tell. Batman Arkham Knight launches June 2nd. If you like to plan ahead, pre-ordering earns you exclusive Harley Quinn challenge maps. And if you do that pre-ordering through GameStop, you'll also get the Red Hood story pack. And finally, every PS4 copy of Batman Arkham Knight comes with an exclusive Scarecrow Nightmare mission. We'll see you in Gotham, Bat fans. That's what we know so far about Batman Arkham Knight, but there will be more news coming from every other direction the next few months, and we'll have it all here on DC All Access, so go ahead and click subscribe because we're your one-stop shop for DC video games and beyond.